What if I told you there's a way to uncover TikTok's next viral affiliate product before everyone else even knows it exists? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you exactly how I do it using a game-changing tool called Kalodata, and how you can do it too. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever scrolled through TikTok and seen a product blow up overnight, leaving you wondering, how did they know that would go viral? If so, you're not alone. The secret isn't just luck, it's data. And Kalodata is the tool that makes finding those trends as easy as scrolling through your feed. Why TikTok affiliate marketing is exploding right now. TikTok isn't just a platform for dance challenges and funny skits anymore. It's a goldmine for affiliate marketers. With millions of users engaging with short-form videos every day, products can go from zero to sold out in hours. But here's the thing, not every product will work. You need the right product at the right time, and that's where most people struggle. Kalodata solves this problem by giving you real-time insights into what's trending and what's about to blow up. It takes the guesswork out of affiliate marketing and puts the power of data in your hands. Step 1. Understanding what Kalodata does. Kalodata is like having a crystal ball for TikTok trends. It tracks millions of products, creators, and videos to show you exactly what's working on TikTok Shop. Want to know which beauty product is going viral? Or which gadget is racking up sales? Kalodata has the answers. Here are just a few things it can do for you. Trend analysis. See which products are gaining traction in real time. Creator insights. Find influencers who are driving sales for specific products. Category breakdown. Explore niches to identify untapped opportunities. Performance metrics. Track views, clicks, and conversions for any product or campaign. With this kind of data, you're no longer guessing, you're strategizing. Step 2. Finding viral products with Kalodata. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how I use Kalodata to find winning affiliate products. Log in and head to the trending section. Once inside Kalodata, the first place I go is the trending product section. This is where all the magic happens. Kalodata analyzes real-time data from TikTok Shop to show you which products are currently gaining momentum. Filter by niche. Whether you're into fashion, tech gadgets, or beauty products, Kalodata lets you filter by category. This is perfect if you already have an audience in a specific niche or if you're looking to explore new markets. Analyze product metrics. For each trending product, Kalodata provides detailed metrics like total sales, engagement rates, likes, comments, shares, conversion rates. This helps me quickly determine whether a product is worth promoting. Check creator data. One of my favorite features is the ability to see which creators are promoting these products successfully. This gives me ideas for collaborations or inspiration for my own content. Save your favorites. Found something promising? Save it to your dashboard so you can track its performance over time and plan your next move. Step 3. Crafting your affiliate strategy. Once I've identified a winning product, it's time to create a strategy to promote it effectively. Here's how I do it. Create engaging content. TikTok is all about authenticity and creativity. Use trending sounds, relatable hooks, and visually appealing edits to showcase your chosen product. Remember, people don't want ads, they want entertainment. Leverage influencer partnerships. If you're not comfortable creating content yourself or want to scale faster, partner with influencers who align with your niche. Kalodata makes this easy by showing you which creators are already succeeding with similar products. Optimize your captions and hashtags. Use hashtags that are trending in your niche and write captions that encourage engagement. For example, can't believe how much this gadget has simplified my life. Hashtag TikTok made me buy it. Hashtag lifehacks. Track your performance. With Kalodata's analytics tools, you can monitor how well your campaigns are performing and make adjustments as needed. This ensures you're always improving and maximizing your earnings. Pro tips for maximizing success. Stay consistent. Viral success doesn't happen overnight, at least not always. Keep testing different products and strategies until you find what works best for your audience. Use data wisely. Don't just rely on intuition. Let Kalodata guide your decisions with hard data. The more informed you are, the better your results will be. Diversify your efforts. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Promote multiple products across different niches to spread out your risk and increase your chances of success. Take advantage of trends quickly. TikTok trends move fast. What's hot today might be forgotten tomorrow. Use Kalodata's real-time insights to jump on trends before they peak. Why you need Kalodata today? If you're serious about making money as a TikTok affiliate marketer, Kalodata isn't just an option, it's a necessity. The platform gives you an unfair advantage by providing insights that most people don't have access to. And here's the best part. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself. Click the link in the description below to get a 7-day free trial of Kalodata plus 15% off when you sign up today. So there you have it. That's how I consistently find TikTok affiliate products that go viral using Kalodata. It's not about luck. It's about leveraging the right tools and strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Then don't wait. Start using Kalodata today and see the difference it makes for yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.